California's where I'm gonna die. Still picking up the pieces you left behind. Gonna hang up my coat on the other side. Got something to say, well you better say it now. I'm gone, long, long gone. California dreamer, can't get it off my mind. Ever since the day you left me behind. You stole my soul in a Tennessee song. I can't wait till I get back home. I'll just keep driving back till your memory is gone. You filled my head with all dirty lies. You left me for a pretty little blonde surprise. You thought you had the upper hand. Now you wonder where the hell been. I'm gone, long, long gone. California dreamer, can't get it off my mind. Ever since the day you left me behind. You stole my soul in a Tennessee song. I can't wait till I get back home. I'll just keep driving back till your memory is gone. And I promise I'm stronger than I was before. And I promise my home is a golden coast. And I promise you can't hurt me anymore. California dreamer, can't get it off my mind. Ever since the day you left me behind. Stole my soul in the Tennessee song. I can't wait till I get back home. I'll just keep driving back till your memory is gone. Ooh, California. I've had struggles, I've felt pain. I've known beauty after the rain. I know the long nights turn into days, but am I good enough to guide you? In my mirror, I see a girl, and somewhere inside I see a mother in her. She has wisdom, but still she's unsure if she'll be good enough to guide you. Maybe I'll learn from my mistakes when the ground beneath me breaks. Maybe I'll never know if I'll ever get it right. But sure as the night will meet the stars, and the sunrise brings the dawn, I know this love inside my heart is waiting for you. I've carried thunder, I've kissed the breeze, conquered the mountain, been brought to my knees. searching for purpose, trying to be free, so I'll be good enough to guide you.